Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laminate floor cleaner machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Shark Steam Mop Model S1000. This lightweight and budget-friendly steam mop is a fantastic option for those who are looking for chemical-free sanitization. Its standout feature is the ability to clean and sanitize using just water, no chemicals needed. With an ultra-lightweight design of under 5 pounds, it's extremely portable and easy to use. The mop heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for those quick cleaning sessions. The 18-foot power cord provides a decent cleaning radius, while the included dirt grip pads are machine washable for sustainable cleaning. In terms of design, the Shark Steam Mop sports a sleek and compact build with swivel steering, which makes it highly maneuverable around furniture and in tight spaces. The removable water tank is a welcome addition, as it allows for easy refills during extended cleaning sessions. While it's ideal for sealed hard floors like laminate, marble, and tile, it's worth noting that it doesn't handle carpeted surfaces or area rugs. The Shark Steam Mop excels in simplicity and ease of use, but it falls short in versatility compared to higher-end models. It's perfect for those who want an affordable, straightforward steam cleaner that removes grime without leaving chemical residues. However, it lacks advanced features like multi-surface cleaning or dual-mode operation. If you're looking for a no-frills cleaner for hard floors, this is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the OctaFox 6-in-1 Steam Cleaner, a versatile option that combines power and flexibility. This steam mop heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering high-pressure steam capable of tackling tough grime and stains. With 2 cleaning modes, it adapts to different surfaces, including laminate, tile, and hardwood. Its 400-milliliter removable water tank provides up to 30 minutes of cleaning runtime. And the extended 23-foot power cord ensures you can clean large areas without needing to switch outlets. The design is both functional and user-friendly. The mop features a rotating head with 180-degree horizontal and 135-degree vertical movement, making it ideal for cleaning corners and under furniture. It comes with multiple attachments, including 5 replacement heads, which enhance its versatility for tasks like cleaning windows, kitchen grease, and even basic ironing. The detachable design and machine-washable mop pads make maintenance a breeze, and an extra set of pads is included for added convenience. While the OctaFox Steam Cleaner offers excellent multifunctionality, it's slightly bulkier than some competitors, which may make it less appealing for those prioritizing lightweight design. However, its high-temperature steam cleaning and variety of attachments make it a great choice for households with diverse cleaning needs. If you're looking for a reliable and adaptable steam mop, this one delivers great value for its price. At number 3, we have the Shark HydroVac Messmaster, a 3-in-1 vacuum mop that's built for tackling both wet and dry messes. This heavy-duty cleaner combines powerful suction with hydro mopping to leave hard floors and area rugs spotless. One of its standout features is the self-cleaning system, which prevents dirt and debris from being redeposited during cleaning. The LED display provides real-time updates on tank levels and cleaning modes, while the Stain Boost mode doubles the cleaning solution for tackling tough stains. Design-wise, the Shark HydroVac is sleek and modern, with a navy matte finish. It features an extra-large clean water tank, making it suitable for extended cleaning sessions. The debris filtration system separates solids from liquids in the dirty water tank, ensuring hassle-free disposal. While it's a corded model, the 23-foot power cord offers decent reach, and its upright form factor makes it easy to store. The Shark HydroVac is ideal for households with pets or kids, thanks to its odor-neutralizing technology and ability to handle a variety of messes. However, at 10.27 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, which may reduce maneuverability for quick spot cleaning. Overall, this is a great choice for users who want a powerful, multi-surface cleaner for tackling both floors and rugs. Taking the number 2 spot is the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert, a budget-friendly powerhouse designed specifically for sealed hard floors. This corded spin mop features reusable and long-lasting mop pads that take the scrubbing effort off your hands. Its on-demand spray functionality allows you to target tough, sticky messes with precision, and the lightweight design with swivel steering makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and baseboards. The SpinWave's design emphasizes simplicity and practicality, with a compact build that doesn't compromise on performance. It includes 6 reusable mop pads and 3 trial-size cleaning solutions, giving you everything you need to get started. At just under 14 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors, but still provides excellent cleaning power for everyday messes. This is the perfect choice for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable cleaner that focuses on hard floor maintenance. While it lacks the multi-surface capabilities of higher-end models, it gets the job done efficiently on wood, tile, and linoleum floors. If you're on a budget and want a no-nonsense cleaner for your laminate or other sealed hard floors, the Bissell SpinWave is a fantastic option. Finally, at the top of our list, the #1 spot goes to the Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop, a premium all-in-one cleaner that delivers unparalleled versatility and performance. This model allows you to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously, making it a time-saving solution for busy households. With its 2-tank technology, it keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water, ensuring you're always cleaning with fresh water. Plus, the antimicrobial treated filter helps prevent odors, making it a great choice for pet owners. The Crosswave Turbo is designed for multi-surface cleaning, capable of tackling tile, laminate, linoleum, area rugs, and more. Its ergonomic design and 16.12-pound weight provide a solid, stable cleaning experience. The included rinse and clean-out storage tray simplifies maintenance, and the 8-ounce multi-surface pet formula ensures optimal cleaning results. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Crosswave Turbo's combination of features, build quality, and performance justifies the price. It's perfect for anyone who needs a high-performance cleaner that can handle both hard floors and area rugs. If you want the best of the best, the Bissell Crosswave Turbo is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.